Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can check for updates in your Steam account for your games. So what you want to do is just right click on your game in the library menu and then just go to properties and click here on updates. And you're gonna see right here automatic updates. Always keep this game up to date and like only update this game when I launch it, or you can high priority always auto update this game before others. So we have three options what you can do here. Three options what you can do here. And yeah. And you can like opt all the beta programs if you want to. And it will like automatically update. So yeah. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it works. So yeah. Have a great day everybody and goodbye.